What's good, guys? So I'm gonna do a trade recap about the trade I took yesterday, so you all take advantage and take notes. Please, for God's sake, take notes and be better every single day. So with that being said, let's do it. Okay, let's do a top-down analysis to my entry point. So if we go to the 4 hour, nothing crazy. 4 hour. The 4 hour is bullish. Okay, higher highs and higher lows. You see? Let me put this. Okay, higher highs and the higher lows. Okay, the 4 hour is bullish. Okay, let me scale down to the 1 hour. Let's see what's going on. And the 1 hour also bullish. You see, we have massive impulse move to the upside. Let me move this for a sec. Yep, we have impulse move to the upside, and I have noticed we have multiple rejection right here in all-time highs. Okay, multiple rejection, and I have noticed also we have a supply zone around here, a supply zone. Okay, we have multiple rejection, all-time highs, and also we have a supply zone, and the structure going bearish also. Okay, the 1 hour is bearish and the 4 hour is bullish. Now it's a bit confused. Also, I have noticed in the 1 hour we have support level. We see the price bouncing off the support, break the support, and retest it. So this support level support level turn into a resistance level. Okay, so everything telling me we're going bearish. Okay, let me scale down to the 30 minutes. Let's see what's going on. In the 30 minutes, I see another supply zone confluence with the 1 hour supply zone. Okay, now we have two time frames. The 1 hour is bearish, 30 minutes is bearish, but the 4 hour is bullish. Okay, let me scale down to the 15 minutes, and also I see supply zone also with the 50 minutes, and my support level also confluence with the 1 hour and the 30 minutes. Okay, everything looking bearish. Okay, let me scale down a little bit more to the 5 minutes. 5 minutes, I see another supply zone. Okay, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 50 minutes, 5 minutes, supply zone, everything looking bearish. Okay, awesome. So I wait for the market to open 9:30 EST. Okay, market open around here, and I have noticed in the 5 minutes we have support level. The price bounce over the support, go make an impulse move to the upside, and then we tested the support level. Okay, everything is bearish, but I'm gonna take a buy from that support level. Let me see if I have a demand. Take a buy from that demand and also that support level in the 5 minutes into the supply, and then took the sell from the supply into that support level right here. Okay, market open, we made the impulse move to the upside, we broke structure right here, now we are bullish in the 5 minutes, and I have a demand zone, the last bearish candle before the push. Now we have a demand zone, but this demand zone is too big, doesn't make sense to me. When the zone is too big, I'm a little bit iffy about it. So I scaled down to the 1 minute to see if we had another demand zone confluence with the 5 minutes, so we can refine it. Okay, I scaled down to the 1 minute. Let me go back right here. I scaled down to the 1 minute, and I have noticed we have a demand right here. So I refine my zone, make it smaller, and then go back to the 5 minutes to take my entry. Okay, I'm here. The price retest the demand zone, make a weak rejection right here, make a weak rejection, but there is a problem. What's the problem? We have the EMAs. The EMAs is against me on the way, but I don't like the EMAs on the way because the EMAs act like support level or resistance level. So in this example, the EMAs act like a resistance level, so I'm a bit iffy about it. I wait for the price to break the EMAs and close above the EMAs. So we have this candle close above the EMAs, all the EMAs. Now the EMAs act like support level, no more resistance. We don't have any resistance. The EMAs act like support level. Okay, so and I took my entry here, my stop loss underneath the EMAs and underneath this wick right here, and my target is the supply. Easy peasy, like for real. I don't have another target. My target is the supply, but this one is 1.6 RR. But Zach, we need 1 and 2 to be profitable. 1 and 3, but I don't care. I always go for 101 right here. I go for 101, close some partials, and I let runners to my next target. So my next target is this one, the supply, because people say 102 is profitable. How the fuck? Okay, this is 102, and we got absolutely smacked. But if we stick to our rules and our plan, we made money. So this is my target supply. It's the most logical way. Is your target is supply, your support resistance, and that's it. Because we do not try to predict the market. So for example, if I go for 103, I put my target blindly, like randomly. That doesn't work at all. We must have a logical target. May the price react of that target. And for this example, this supply, and the price react of the supply to the T. You see, to the T react of the supply and make the like the bearish move. When I hit this trade, I thought to myself, maybe I'm gonna take the supply trade into this support level right here. But nah, I thought to myself, nah, I'm good. I made money. I'm good. I don't try to be greedy. I'm good. I'm not here to make more money. I make my money. I take my bag and I'm out. But this could be another trade. And you see, we hit the support level. The price keep bouncing off the support and make the move to the upside. God damn, like ping pong. Like for real, guys, ping pong. So this is it, guys. It's nothing crazy, I promise you. It's not. I'm not here to talk about ICT, IFEG, liquidity sweep. No, we keep it simple so everyone can understand. And that's it. Please take notes, take advantage. I promise you, it's not hard. Just stick to your plan, stick to your rules, and just execute. If the trade makes sense, execute. If the trade doesn't make sense, just stay away, stay cash. As simple as that. I promise you. So, hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe also. And that's it. See you in the next one.